I was modeling in Delhi earlier, and then I shifted here to Bombay a couple of years back, and not wanting to act as such. I didn't have any ambitions of becoming a film actor and stuff. So while that was happening, I was doing a lot of advertisements, TV commercials and stuff. So while doing that, I started, as in, I kind of liked the whole process of ads being shot on camera, you coming on TV. So I was kind of intrigued by how it is done. My inclination towards it began. And one fine day I called up my dad and told him, Papa, मुझे hero बनना है. He's like, अरे पागल हो गया, घर आ जा. But it fell in place. I was auditioning for YRF for about 7-8 months. They made me audition on different scripts so as to see if I can really deliver or not, as I didn't have an acting background or anything as such. So it took about 8 months, and one fine day I get a call saying, you're Vishal and you're doing this film. So yeah. So I did a couple of workshops before the film began, and then with the director and the other cast of the film, we had a month-long workshop. So basically we did all that we're doing in the film a month prior to the film happened. Basically जब मुझे ब्रीफ दी गई थी तो बोला गया था कि विशाल जो है एक घटिया शायरी राइटर है, जिसको लगता है कि वो घटिया है, बट दूसरों की नज़र में उतना घटिया नहीं है. वो अच्छे गाने लिखता है, अपने दोस्त के लिए गाने लिखता है जो प्ले कर रहे हैं राहुल फिल्म में. तो उसी दौरान उन्हें उनकी मुलाकात एक लड़की से होती है और उन्हें एज इन ही फॉल्स इन लव विद अ गर्ल. So, but he doesn't have the courage to go up to the girl and tell her, because as a character, Vishal has a lot of insecurities. He is very unsure about himself. So he takes Rahul's identity online to Patao Malvika. And because of that, there's a lot of confusion in the film. And as a character, Vishal is a very regular college student. Like every teenager, college student in college has a lot of insecurities about himself. The way he dresses, the way he talks. He's like this guy ki matlab, he has this witty one-liners always ready. He's up to something or the other. He's a prankster. But still at the back of the mind, usko hai ki yaar, if I was this, if I was Rahul, if I was this, to kaisa hota? Probably it would have been better. So everybody does it. Because internet is a medium, social networking is a medium where the other person who you're talking to doesn't know who you really are. एक पर्दा होता है आपकी इमेज के सामने. So I think everybody's done it, and I won't deny that I haven't. I also have done it at some point in my life. This is the reality. This is what happens on networking sites. Like the youth try and be somebody who they are not, just to impress somebody. The message you're trying to give with the film, if you've seen the poster, the tagline says, "Fake it if you can't make it." But what we're trying to tell you is, just be yourself. We're just trying to portray the opposite. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. You special in your own way. Whatever you can do, nobody else can. उन्होंने आज से 10-12 साल पहले एक शो बनाया था. That was called Hippe Purre, and I've grown up watching that show. And I thought कि, and when the first time I met her, I'll be very honest, I didn't know who Nupur Asthana was. When I was growing up, I used to watch the show, not who the director was. So I went on this site called IMDb, where all the biographies of everybody is given. So I wanted to check. And when I just saw Hippe Purre, and I was like, I'm sorted, dude. If she could understand the youth then, 10 years back, and make it look cool then, so as in, I thought I was sorted. I don't need to worry. I need to go in with her vision. Basically, the shot was that I'm lying on bed and my phone rings, and to catch hold of my phone, I fall off the bed. I was happy कि मतलब वो कुछ dialogue नहीं था पहला, कुछ नहीं था, so there was a lot of nervousness. So it went off well. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, but yeah, I was very happy that it went off well in a couple of takes. So yeah. Okay, Nishant, a great person. As a person, he's superb. He, as in, I felt as in we bonded so much during the making of the film. Now we almost stay together. We work out together. It's become an everyday affair meeting him. Tara, she's a brilliant co-actor in the sense that when you're shooting with her, she makes it happen in you. Sabha, I would say she's immensely talented. Me being a non-actor, coming from a non-acting background, and when you do scenes with Sabha, she helps you, really helps you, tells you where we can work on, and she always wants to do stuff in the sense, if there's an important scene tomorrow, she would want to come and read with you and to help you, and she's open to suggestions. Yeah. There's this scene where me and my co-star Preeti, who's played by Sabha, we have a fight, and I really like that fight. I think there's a lot of energy in the fight. So yeah. Right. And arguments happening and stuff. So it's the biggest production house in the country, A. B, they take care of you really, really well. You don't have to ask for anything, it's given to you. So I have no complaints. All I have is immense respect. They've given me this opportunity, which probably every guy who comes to Bombay has a dream of becoming a film actor, a film hero, and they've given me this chance. So I'm very very happy. I'm very glad. It sometimes feels कि यार मैं सपना तो नहीं देख रहा, ये क्या मतलब यशराज. I come from Delhi, no Godfather, no filmy connection, nothing, and all of a sudden एक यशराज film music launch, like very unreal, but yeah, it's been the best working experience, the best director, the best producer, everything's been A-notch.